Hi Shira, let's take a look at our course, Business Spreadsheet Applications. So you can see on the screen, I'm here at the Madison College homepage. At the top, I'm going to click on Current Students, and then on the right-hand side, I'm going to click on Blackboard. You might have to look for this link. I have my account set up so that it automatically logs me in. You might have to enter your username and password. Then, once you get into Blackboard, scroll down and look for our course's name, Spring 2019 Business Spreadsheet Apps. Okay, so I'm going to click on that one. In our course's Blackboard site, I have all the information that you need to complete this course. And all of the links are here on the left-hand side. So if you need information about the due dates, go ahead and click on due dates. You can see that I mostly use Tuesdays and Thursdays for the homework due dates. Okay, what I want you to do today is on the left-hand side, I want you to click Assignments. For every chapter, well, let's take a look at Chapter 1. For every chapter, I have what's called an assignment guide. Go ahead, click on the assignment guide, download it, open it up in Microsoft Word, and read through that information. I give you tons of information and all the instructions that you need to complete the work for every single chapter. So always look for the assignment guide and use it. Okay, now, here's the shortened version of the assignment guide. There are 3 things you need to do. First of all, read the chapter, and I recommend that as you read the chapter, you're taking notes, right? Because you're learning things. You're learning how to build a formula, how to build a function. So just make notes for yourself. It comes in handy later. Number 2, you need to complete the prepare case as you read the chapter. This is what you and I talked about the other day. As you're looking through the chapter, there's those blue boxes with steps inside of them. That's what builds the prepare case. So as you're reading the chapter, complete those blue boxes, complete those steps along the way. When you're all done with all of them, then save that work and you'll submit it here to Blackboard. I'll grade that work, and I'll grade that work using this rubric. So you can see exactly what I'm going to be looking for to award those points. Okay, the third and final thing that you need to do for each chapter is to complete a homework assignment within the My IT Lab system. I have a whole nother video to show you how to use the My IT Lab system and how to do that homework. But if you have any questions at all for any of this, you are welcome to email me at any time.